it's Tom Payne, Homebridge Financial in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. I thought I would talk to the real estate agents out there that might be listening in. Having been a real estate agent, a broker, a mortgage lender for more years than I care to admit, I thought I would just share some of my insights. I think an excellent way for a real estate agent to get business are open houses. I know many seasoned real estate agents kind of poo-hoo the idea of open houses, yet I have to tell you, for the last 20, 30 years, I've seen great success in open houses. For real estate agents, it's a pretty simple process. Pick a house, ideally one that's maybe vacant, and find a house that only has a couple of turns off a major intersection. Put up as many open house signs as you can and sit down, take notes. The advantage to the open house is that you're going to find people that are out there looking for a property. You'll talk to neighbors that are thinking of maybe selling their house and they're out searching to see what the competition is like. Or a neighbor comes by because they've got family or friends that are thinking of moving into the area. I have a very close friend of mine. He's been selling real estate for years. I'm fortunate enough to be one of his primary lenders. He's consistently consistent. And what I mean by that is every weekend, every Saturday, every Sunday, he sits in open house without fail. I can't begin to tell you the business that he's received off those open houses. I'm in the process right now of putting together a loan on a property he sat just a short time ago. It was $1 million property. Buyer walks in, wanted the house. It wasn't even his listing. And maybe that's the craziness of all of this. Gang, it doesn't have to be your own listing to host the open house. You can imagine the kind of money he's going to make off just that one listing alone. But if you're consistent in your open houses, it can be just a barn burner for you. As you know, the expense is minimal. It's more time than anything else. My other advice is pick out a neighborhood, maybe an area that you would farm, and become the local expert in that farming area and host open houses weekly. I'm confident that you're going to build your business if you'll just do that. If you've got other questions about open houses or would like some other tips, call me or text me anytime. I'd love to speak with you. Once again, it's Tom Payne, Homebridge Financial, 702-303-0243.